Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to apply false lashes. I've had many requests for this and I know a lot of my flawless babes struggle with this. So I'm going to do a video on it. I also have a blog on my website www.beautybyflawlessjess.com. If you want to check that out, it is detailed step-by-step directions on how to apply false lashes. So without further ado, make sure you like, comment, share this video, and also subscribe to my channel and keep watching. Alright babes, so the only thing that you're going to need is your mascara, your tweezers, your glue, your lashes, and a vanity mirror, of course. So I'm going to go ahead and start applying my mascara so that I can prime my eyelashes. You prime with mascara for a better hold when it comes to the glue and getting the lashes to stick. So after applying my mascara, I am going to line my lashes with a very thin layer of the lash glue that I'm going to be using. I'm using the Duo Lash Glue. I like this one because it does hold for 24 hours, but it's not a super strong hold. So it doesn't harm your lashes and it's not harsh on your lashes either. So as you can see, I'm applying this first lash with my hands. I'm going in first with my hands and then I'm going to go in and use the tweezer just to line it up and fix it. And as you can see, you will know when this glue is ready because it turns blue. That's when you know it's tacky enough for you to go ahead and start applying it. And I like to use my fingers to pinch them just to make sure they're super close to my lash line, as well as making sure they're sticking to my lash. And on this second one, I'm showing you how to apply the lash with the tweezers. It's the same exact step. You just place it as close to the lash line as possible and you go in and fix it, and again you pinch it to make sure that it's super close to your lash line and it's actually sticking to the eye. And that is pretty much how you apply your falsies. I hope this tutorial was super easy for you to understand. If you have any other requests, please do not hesitate to leave them below. And that is it. Bye.